Mommy, my birthday coming up. What good advice you got to tell me?
Go to church. Serve the Lord. Right now, I have to go back to the Lord. I need a repentive heart. I'm repenting every day to get a heart for God. You understand?
But you're
because
proud
the
of me?
Bible speak about
You proud of me?
the things of this world will pass away.
You proud of me?
I'm proud of you, but you got to proud of yourself, whereby you surrender your soul. Is your soul. Your
Okay.
mind.
Okay. But
To
yeah,
the living God.
I know.
Let me
Guess
put
what
on
I turned in Tuesday?
32.
No, hell no, lady. Don't put age for me.
How old you are?
I turned in 26.
You in shame?
Shame what?
At this age, 26, and is this what you're doing?
I want to show you where you make.
You're
Look
supposed
upon all
to
of
be
this.
ghetto.
Look upon all of this, mommy. Look.
You're a bit more vulgarness.
Or you go along to work, man. Why you come out to your house? Guy gonna drink some cut waters. And enjoy. What? Mama, I buy 4 cases of rum.
You better stop. No, I'm serious. I don't like the road you're going down here now. You must stop it.
What road I going now, lady?
Oh gosh, you know, all at the arcade right through.
Oh God, you back again, Pon
Oh,
Guyana?
no,
You come back in America
No,
now, you there in America,
honestly.
left Guyana way there.
I little tears coming down from my eyes.
You like for cry.
Because wherever
Use
kid
spice
feel
over, man.
it,
Use
all
spice over,
these-
man.
Here, don't tell me
Use
about
spice
man.
over, man.
Don't tell me about man. I talking about the development. You understand me? And you know, I'm so happy and proud to see what the government doing. That is the truth.
When's the last time you cry over, man?
I must cry off the Lord. Me tears are falling no more upon no man. It's a flesh, and I'm not doing that.
Yeah, see where I get me heartless behavior from.
Not.
Yeah, see why I am who I am. Because me mother, Mommy said man is dogs. Man wicked.
I never said dogs. I got by child. So how could I condemn men? Eh? It's people traitor attitude, their behavior. The Bible said in the last days, the loss of the eyes and the loss of the flesh, they will take heed to. Know what everybody doing. So they can't help themselves. The only time to could help themselves is to go to church and pray.
That's why you
That
got
God give them strength to overcome every temptation, because every soul will get temptation.
That's why
The
you
Bible said temptation will come to every man. I will get temptation to. I just get temptation. I'm old.
That's why you got to use them, abuse them, take the money and kick them to the curb.
Here I late.